People are expected to receive free medical care at an upcoming health clinic in Indio. RAM is holding the Coachella Valley Expedition. The event is supported by the California Association of Oral and Maxillo-Facial Surgeons, the Flying Doctors, and Goldenvoice. The clinic will be going on April 4th through the 7th at the Riverside County Fairgrounds in Indio. And right now the clinic is looking for volunteers. To tell us more is Dr. Peter Scheer of the Mirage Center. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Doctor.
Good morning, Gloria.
So I'm curious to know how you got involved with this project.
Well, we've been doing missions literally all over the world over the last 30 years. And several years ago, one of my friends, Pam Congdon, who is the director of RAM in California and also happens to be the director for the oral maxillofacial surgeons, asked me if I would please help her out. And we did. And you know, you got to clean up your own backyard before you go somewhere else.
I like how you said that, because you said you were working all over the world and now you decided here in India that you really wanted to make an impact. So why here do you think that this is needed so much?
Well, first of all, we live in a community where amazing wealth is right next to abject poverty. In the East Valley, we have a lot of people who really do not have access to good medical care.
What kind of services will you be providing there?
We'll have ophthalmology, hearing, dental, screening for diabetes, general medical health. The Desert AIDS Project is helping us with screenings and education. So all kinds of different services for general medical, but main focus will be on vision.
That's wonderful. And since you have worked at a lot of these events and volunteered, what kind of impact do you see that this makes on their lives?
Well, the impact on the patients' lives is just as great as the ones for the volunteers. The volunteers, you will see that firsthand. It's incredibly infectious to be there. You know, these are people that really are afraid to go to the doctor because it's difficult for them to get there. It's a life-changing thing when you see somebody all of a sudden being able to see because they have custom glasses. That's pretty incredible. I
can only imagine the impact that you're making on these patients' lives. Now, for people who want to volunteer, what types of volunteers are you looking for?
We will have volunteers from the general population to help with the actual event, to set up food, all kinds of different aspects. And then we will have ophthalmology, ophthalmology technicians, hygiene, general dentistry, oral maxillofacial surgery, general physicians, literally all aspects of medical care.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
You're welcome.
And we're going to put the information right there on the screen. The clinic is going on at the Riverside County Fairgrounds April 4th through the 7th. It starts at 5:30 in the morning. Lineup begins at 3:30 every day. And also, if you want to register, just go to our website, KMIR6.com. We'll have all the information right there on our website.